change is strenuous. You used to go to work, and I used to go to your work to deliver keynote presentations about embracing change. The game itself has changed. Our virtual reality has all of a sudden become our reality. We were taught to become increasingly risk-averse. In fact, I just started painting for the first time in my life after I turned 30 years old. So I did. I went and picked up a brush and went into my backyard and went through the motions of physically putting paint on canvas. But it was actually through physically putting paint on canvas that all of a sudden the right side of my mind, that side that had been intentionally trapped, almost held dormant or locked in by analytics or logic, all of a sudden began to creep open. My presentation is very loosely titled The Art of Vision, or Unthink, unlearning, unlocking, unleashing the full capability of our mind, but is couched firmly in the science of reprogramming our brain. How do we approach the future of artificial intelligence, the future of Zoom reality, the future of virtual reality as a curious child? It's difficult to adapt, and I get it, and it's hard. And in a lot of ways, this has been challenging for me too, because I'm used to big stages and theaters and multi-dimensional aspects by which to be able to engage in live format with my audiences. But wild horses cannot hold back an idea whose time has come. As we launch into this brave new world, accelerating into the future, this is an opportunity for this to be a format by which to be able to train others, to share content, distribute a little bit differently than maybe we had, and to authentically do it in a way that your competitors didn't even think possible.